Hey, what's up guys? This is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. If this is the first time you're watching me and this video, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a YouTuber and blogger. My content here usually revolves around beauty product reviews, makeup tutorials, digital tools and productivity tips. And if you'd like to see more of me, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button right down this video and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever a new video like this goes up on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a June recap. So I'm just going to essentially just running through with you what are the videos that I had actually put up for the month of June. And if you'd like to know more about my June recap, then please keep on watching. June holidays means that school's out and children who have school do not have to go to school for one whole month long. And in this June, my kid has been around a lot more often, and that's one of the key reasons why you feel you may have heard a lot of background noises coming from my videos is only because my child has been around a lot more often. I am happy to report that July is coming soon, and I believe by the time you're watching this video, my child has already gone back to school, so yeah! I sincerely thought that June is going to be a hell ride for me, but disturbingly and surprisingly, it has been quite good. In the first week of June, we started off the June holidays with a very beach summery makeup tutorial. I called it the Summer and Peaches Strawberry Smoothie makeup tutorial, where I show you shades of orange, peach and pink and just delicious summery kind of colors and put them on my eyelids and have my lips matching to my eye look. If you have not watched that makeup tutorial, I put a link to it right here and you can click on it and it will bring you straight to the video. Next was the Indian haul, long overdue, and I feel like a lot of people keep telling me buy new clothes, you keep wearing the same old clothes. And yes, this time round and in year 2018, I've been doing a lot more shopping. I've been really trying to get outside of my comfort zone. I am not someone who wears a lot of colors, but this year I've been really trying to push the envelope, and I'm not sure if I got the exact full name right. It's called the Zag Salam India Expo Sale. What Zag Salam Expo Sale is essentially a whole bunch of Indian merchants, or mostly Indian merchants, all from surrounding countries from India. They come to Singapore and they set up booths, and it's held over a period of a couple of days, usually over a weekend, so you have a lot of time. You can go over to Expo, which is held at Expo itself. The nearest MRT station is called Expo. You just have to get down to MRT station and do a little bit of walking. In this Expo sale, you get to see a lot of Indian products, and I mean a lot. And I'm happy to report that I bought myself a couple of clothes, a couple of shoes, which you guys have been asking me to get myself a new pairs of shoes, and I actually got 2 pairs of Indian ethnic shoes. If you'd like to see the full length haul video, I'll put a link to it right here and it will bring you straight to the video, just so that if you're interested to know what I actually got for myself, then you can click on the eye over here. Moving on, it was the week before Hari Raya Puasa, and I actually came up with a very sultry, smoky, black, charcoal grey kind of special Eid look for my eyes, because I wasn't really sure if I want to play with a lot of colors, because I feel like I played too much of color and I just want to take a step back and do something a little bit more me, that involves a lot of browns or blacks. And I actually created this like really dramatic Arabic eye look with just a couple of shades of black or grey. You'll be able to see how the intense Arabic eye look turned out. If you can click on the eye, it will bring you straight to the makeup tutorial. On the actual day of Eid itself, I just came on over here and did a small greetings where I shared with you my intense excitement over grabbing some biryani, which is an essential. That leads us to the third week, where I bring you a get ready with me, where I show you how I actually matched the outfit that I got from Zag Salam Expo sale. I put together a makeup look and how I actually did a very simple hairstyle, and it was really fun. If you'd like to see me getting ready in a fast-paced mode, I'll put a link to it right here and it will bring you straight to the video. I usually do a product review every month, and this June was no different. I had actually reviewed the Rimmel London's 25-hour breathable concealer, and I actually share with you how I feel about the product. If you're keen on getting yourself a Rimmel concealer and you're interested to find out more about how the 25-hour breathable concealer works, I've actually done a review and a demo, and you can click it right here. In the last week of June, I was extended a kind opportunity by Lush to come and visit their latest outlet at Raffles City. One thing about Lush is that their crew are super warm and welcoming, and they are very knowledgeable about the products that they offer. You can ask them a lot of questions and I had a delightful time. I had a blast. I had fun throwing in bath bombs into the water and taking boomerang. I absolutely love Lush's events. If you do not know already, Lush offers an extensive range of bath bombs, skincare, hair care, and a lot of, I believe they even offer cosmetics, colored cosmetics like makeup. If you're keen on getting some Lush products, then don't forget to go and check them out at their newest outlet at Raffle City. And that's it for the month of June, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this June recap, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. All that will be needed is a minute from you to click on the subscribe button right down here. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it just so that you'll be updated and notified when new videos like this go up on my channel. And I really hope you have an amazing day ahead, and I shall catch you in my next video. Bye guys!